In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Android device name from Wi-Fi networks so you can improve your privacy when using public or shared Wi-Fi connections. So let's get started. First, open your Android phone and go to the Settings app by swiping up and tapping the gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, tap on Connections at the top, then select Wi-Fi. Now make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. After that, tap on the gear icon next to your connected network to open its settings. Scroll down and tap on View More to reveal additional options. Keep scrolling until you find the option that says Send Device Name to this network. Now simply turn this option off. Once you disable it, your Android device will stop sharing its device name with that Wi-Fi network, helping you stay more private. In some cases, the connection may briefly reconnect as an anonymous device. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Android device name from Wi-Fi networks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Android tips and tricks. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.